Good morning, children. This is your general knowledge class. The title of the lesson is Hobbies and Crafts. Today we will learn about some hobbies and crafts. When you have a free time, what will you do other than playing and eating? What are the extra activities done by you at your home? You can spend free time in a useful way. You may do some interesting works like drawing and painting. What is a hobby? A hobby is an activity done for pleasure during our leisure time. It is a kind of recreation. Some of them may have a hobby of collecting postal stamps. Some collect interesting books of stories. Some of them may grow pet bats. What is your hobby? Gardening is my hobby. Today you will learn a new term, that is amateur or hobbyist. Who is a hobbyist? A scholar in creative arts is known as a hobbyist. First, we will learn about one of the hobbies, stamp collection. It is also known as philately. Philately refers to the study of stamps. The term philately comes from the French word. Philately, introduced by George Herpin in 1864. Before introduction of stamps, postage charge were paid by the receivers of a letter. Sir Rowland Hill introduced the postage stamps in Britain. Look at the picture, children. This was the first ever postage stamp, penny black, introduced in 1840, which carried the portrait of Queen Victoria. Who was in the penny black stamp? Yes, Queen Victoria is in the penny black stamp. See this stamp. This is penny red. Penny red was the first perforated stamp. Perforation means small rows of holes punched between stamps to make them easier to separate. What is the purpose of introducing stamps? Stamps shows the history, culture, flora and fauna of a country. Next we will learn about various parts of a stamp. First one is printed image. Second one is perforation. And third one is denomination. And fourth one is country name. Next we will learn about some historic Indian stamps. Syndic dog, first stamp of British India. See the stamp. This was the first stamp of independent India for foreign use. See this stamp. This was the second stamp of independent India for local use. Okay, children, have you all understood today's topic? Thank you.